Guys, before jumping into video, please subscribe, hit the bell icon to notify yourself about new uploads, and don't miss anything out. Thank you. Hey guys, as usually, Mikey here with a little update on GSXR project. So currently, as you can see, front wheel is on, front fender is on, front forks are on, everything is torqued to this specification according to the service manual. It is overhauled, so it is looking pretty clean, so that's a great news. The brakes are clean with the brake cleaner. The gas tank looking still the same because I didn't do anything to it. Rear back tail is back on, so that's a good news. It's looking sick with this exhaust, which you could see the sound check. It's sounding incredible. I gotta tell you, it's a totally different story than this. This pipe is like, I don't know, it's like, you know, it's OEM pipe, so the exhaust is kind of classic sound, which is nothing exciting. But this, ladies and gentlemen, this is incredibly nice and loud and banging and popping and everything what's supposed to do. So so this is, everything is tight. The bottom part of fairing is pretty much completed, and the upper part, well, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. What do you think about this? Looking pretty sick, right? I was doing that, don't forget, I was doing that in my garage on a parking lot, so looking pretty nice. So there's going to be a pretty big sticker on the bottom, actually, and there's going to be stickers on the bottom here as well, which actually are here. So this will go right here like this, and there are like two different sets, so thanks for that. And we have another part which I picked up actually like 5 minutes ago, so there should be new levers and new guards, and still waiting for another stickers. Another stickers are actually in process of making, so they might be done today, tomorrow. I don't know if you noticed, but this is my new shelf, which is incredibly helpful. Everything is here. Like, I just made an order and everything is here, so this is pretty awesome, and I gotta tell you that. Update on R6 is that I decided to repair this fuel tank, which I managed to destroy at the racetrack. So so the gas tank is in process for, you know, preparation for the repair. I will repair by myself, so I don't know how it's going to end up, but hopefully it will look better than this. It cannot be worse than this, so pretty much looking forward to this. So I will remove the tank and I will do my thing. We'll see how it goes. Pretty much the oil is changed. This is an old oil. This is old oil. So the filter is new. The oil is new, and the level of the oil is exactly a little bit above the middle, which is ideal. I did a run check, so the oil change was done successfully by myself for the first time ever, which I'm really excited to announce.
Not bad, not bad.
And yeah, so we'll put the stickers on the bottom piece and on the upper piece, and then we'll put everything together, and hopefully we'll finish this week. So I'll give you an update later on. See you.